Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Alright guys, so today I'm going to do another unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the Beard Club. I ordered their top kit, which costs $99, which also includes a beard trimmer. So I'm excited to get into it and see everything it's got and test it out eventually. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, now I did cut off the address so you can't find out where I live, but that's not an issue. Alright, opening up the box. This is how it came. I didn't change anything. Pretty nice. Oh, okay. Oh man, okay. Alright, so you get this box, right? And then right under it is a trimmer. Now I'm really excited about this. This is my first personal trimmer. Move this out of the way real quick. So you can see my computer in the reflection. I'm excited, but we'll go over all this stuff first real quick. And I'm excited to get into that. All right, moving into the box. This is what it looks like. Oh, there goes the comb. All right, neat and organized, compact. They didn't waste any space, so I like that. Let me see if I can get this comb open. Now that my beard is getting longer, I'm actually enjoying combs a lot more now, and actually over brushes all the time. So I'm excited now. The other brush I have, you know, it's a two-sided brush where it has a thin and a thick comb. This just has the one, but man, it feels pretty good. Like it has a texture to it. Feels pretty nice. And yeah, it gets in there. I think this is a brush more designed for like larger beards. just running it through my hair. I don't think my beard's there yet. This is for the big boys. I'm still in the little leagues right now. But I do like the texture, and it's wooden, so you don't have to worry about that plastic, you know, gripping your hairs, pulling out your hairs and stuff. All right, let's see. And they got a mustache comb. That's cool. Yeah, sure. Yes. Gotta brush the mustache. Again, I don't think I'm at that level yet, but hey, when I do, I got a brush for my mustache. It's pretty nice. It actually has a hole on it. I don't know if you can see it. It has a hole to put on your keychain, so it's handy dandy right there. All right, moving on. Let's see. We got, okay, so it is scented. Okay, so this is beard oil. Now this seems like a travel size bottle, but it's scented. It's their cedar smell. And it's not real strong. It's kind of like, it takes a back seat. You know, it's like, oh, hey, by the way, that kind of smells like cedar, not a, oh, snap, that's cedar. So I like that. It's a nice smell to it. Again, it's more laid back scent, you know, that you'll be like, oh, I just noticed that, not a, oh, dang. Moving on. Here's the beard balm. Again, looks like a more of a travel size for taking through airports or something like that, you know. Now, yeah, this is cedar as well. Now, I'm not too sure. I don't know that. Yeah, I mean, I guess without looking at it, without reading that it says cedar, I would have guessed it was citrus, honestly. So we'll see. Once I put it on, then I'll be like, yeah, no, maybe they put on the. I don't know if they have a citrus uh, scent, but if they do, I would say that they maybe accidentally put the wrong lid on this or something. I don't know. It kind of smells woodsy, but it has a citrus scent to it. Maybe it's just me. Now, going to the brush. Okay, This is definitely like real wood. It's real light. It's not heavy at all. And I like how it has the logo on it. Kudos for them. All right. The bristles, I mean, I'd say they kind of lean on the soft side. You know, I have a brush that's really soft, and I have a brush that's really coarse and hard that will actually hurt your skin if you brush your beard too much with it. And I have one that's right in the middle now. Actually, the one from my last unboxing, this one seems to lean more towards the soft side. So I think for like, maybe their plan was with the beard, use the beard brush with short beards because it can actually get down to the skin and get in there. But when your hair gets longer, it gets harder for the bristles to get all the way down to your skin and really give it a nice comb through, you know, brush through. So I think that's why they gave you this comb. This comb is the way it is. So I would say that this is for shorter beards, and then they gave you this for the longer beards to get it down in there, you know. That's just my guess. I'm not an expert, so you know, I'm not saying indefinitely that's what they're doing, but that's just what it seems like is what they're doing, because these are soft bristles, and I can already tell, like right here it gets to the skin fine and comes through, but right here where my hair is thicker, I can't feel it like reach the skin necessarily. So all right, moving on, we got the cream. Give this a smell. It says, oh, actually it doesn't say a scent to it, so let's see. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it. It's really white too. Doesn't really have a scent to it at all, which is okay. I don't have a problem. Not everything has to have a scent to it to please me. I'm okay with something that doesn't have any scent to it, because you know there's a time and place for everything. Hey, sometimes you know there might be a position you might be in where you know it'd be inappropriate to have like a beard that has a real strong scent to it. You know, people might look at you funny and they're like, dude, this ain't the place. You know, I understand that. Then I also understand there is a time and place for you to have a great smelling beard, you know. All right, I'm pretty sure this is the straight edge razor. If I can get it out the little plastic here. Now, oh, there goes. I do like this case it came in. It feels like all natural leather or all natural pleather. I have no idea. I was just trying to be funny there, but no, it does feel good. It feels like it has good quality to it. You know, that's nice. Something to hold your razor in. I have little ones, so I'll definitely use that. Keep it in there just in case they able to reach it. Now, my other one of these is silver. It was just a straight silver razor. This one is black. I like this a lot, actually. It's the same design, you know, as far as the method in putting in the blade. Has the swing lock, you know, and I assume these are, yeah, these. Wow, they gave me quite a bit of blades for it as well, so I do like that. The last kit that I got, it came with one blade. You know, you snap it in half and you got two.
From Melissa. Assistance is needed outside, please.
All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to help unload groceries and put everything up. You know how it is when the wife calls. You know, you gotta get up, do what you gotta do. All right, so I just got done covering the straight edge razor. All right, has extra blades, which is nice. I appreciate that. Moving on, and we got the beard shampoo. Okay, let's see. I'd say it has a slight, it doesn't actually say it's scented at all, but I mean, it's very, very mellow, but I would say that it kind of has a cedar smell to it, so that's good. And, oh, okay. All the different guards for the trimmer are in this box. So I'm not gonna pull those out and make a huge mess with these right now, but so it does come with the guards in this right here, which is nice. And then finally with this, we have the actual bag to put everything in for, you know, traveling and stuff like that, or just to have around the house. But you know, in my bathroom, I don't really have everything in the bag. I just have everything on my own little shelf in the bathroom. But this would definitely be good if, you know, I travel, go anywhere. I can put everything in this little bag. It's nice. Now, getting on to the thing that I'm really excited about is this actual trimmer and checking it out. All right. Now, again, this is my first trimmer that I've owned, so I'm excited. We can expect a lot of trimming videos coming in the future. So this is what it looks like. Show you out the box. Has a user manual and guide. Looks real nice. Now just grabbing it. It's got some weight to it. Feels good. Oh, and it's it's actually pretty charged. It's got 80% left. That's nice. And right here, you can change the settings. It's 0.8 to 1.4 to 2 millimeters. It's not real loud. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's not real loud. It's actually kind of quiet. I like that. I'm real excited to be able to use that. See, and here, oh, this is the charging dock for it. There's the plug in right there. You push it up in there. Oh. All right, let's see if I can get that. I assume the bottom lights up when it's charging. It has a light ring around it. And then you got your cable, and you got some more clips right here. And then of course your oil to keep it running smooth, and your little brush to keep it clean, right? So I guess all the clips wouldn't fit in here, so that's why they put the rest of them in here. All right, I'm real excited about this. This feels like good quality, you know. It doesn't feel like one of the cheap things that people make, you know, where it's just a shell, you know, a cheap shell with some electrical parts in it. This actually feels really nice. I'm impressed. Again, I'm looking forward to using this, and I'll be making videos about trimming and stuff. I'll probably be using this one. I do like it. It has the info right there. Yeah, I like it a lot. So overall, I like this kit. Compared to a different kit, I prefer this one. Now I plan on buying and testing a lot more kits in the future, and I'll be doing unboxings of those. But with the Beard Club, what I plan on doing is once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I want to start doing giveaways. Now the Beard Club will be on that list of things that I give away. I want to do the subscriptions. You know, I'll do the more expensive ones, and I'll be giving those away monthly, if not more, depending on, you know, again, subscribers and feedback, and you know what the community likes. If they'd rather me do giveaways with different products, then I'll probably do that. But starting off, the Beard Club seems like a decent product. Um, you know, again, going over everything, it doesn't seem like they cheated us out of anything. You know, it doesn't seem like they're like saying that they're going to give us one thing and then, you know, give us a cheaper version of it. Everything seems pretty legit, and I like it. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you enjoyed it, if you got something out of it, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like, and welcome to the team. With all that said, I hope everybody has a great day.